Good night, tutor and Colette. Okay, street 3. 1. What is the most uncommon fun you'd have a treat on and three? Okay, the most uncommon dish that I have a treat on and three is the rondon, a typical dish from the Islas of San Andres. And this journey is Jamaican, but today it is widely consumed on the Caribbean coast and as ingredients such as salt pork, cassava, oregano, sea snail, coconut milk. Okay, you see how poor its presentation was not very good, which Madame not sure if I would it and what try it. It don't have it a bad taste, but it's not tot my liking. I will not try to it in again. 2. And what are the best things I had happened on Jordan and Treat? Mention 2. And the best time they have it happened told me and three are having had the experience of taking a tour what yacht and touring the hidden island of Cartagena, surrounded by my family and friends, where they sang, enjoyed themselves and had an incredible time. Teen times I have it happened to my own and treat has been going to Couples Park in Santa Marta and have it dance with foreign people, enjoy the rhythm of the music, the good atmosphere, and the toy the people in the place radiate. After that, with Allen with bicycle to tour the tourists in areas of that city, and it was a wonderful experience. Um, and what are the worst things that have happened on your own trip? Mention two. During a family trip, I had the place to stay that with the reading for the night was completely unclean bed with the dirty the pool and green color from dirt in the kitchen the weird animals such and cockroaches, uh, fleas and ants. It was unpleasant experience that we do has been one of the worst experiences that have happened to me on tree. Another specific experience was getting lots the wallet city of Cartagena where I don't join. I don't have minutes to hable to call the people what went and read with me. It as was an hur of creant and gonit and overwhy, which made my nerves. Um, reach on the verge of creasing desperately. It was a terrible experience. Okay. Have you ever met a new friends on a tree? Yes, it had happened when it was waiting for the bus to my destination. We touched together during the trip, and we were heading towards that place where decided to start talking about things in our lives and the reason we were going to travel in the middle of the talk we found out at we were going to some place of state and the some days arriving at the hotel the hotel we had networking rooms which during the days of the trip we worked at danced and enjoyed the whole trip together. Currently, with our very together and relationship of great friendship has grown between the two. Okay. What is better visiting popular tourist destination of lesser quant tourist destination? Okay, visit the lesser quant tourist and destination because we have the opportunity to know discover, investigate everything about the place where we will have the opportunity to broaden what horizon it educates use and helps us understand the world much better and go out traveling, getting to edge water and its opportunity to realize and the multicultural wonders that exist to lie new experience that while remain is at good memories. Thank you.